Details on the COVID-19 pandemic in Alabama. Almost all of the state now is at a very high risk for the virus. Take a look at the health department's risk indicator map. It was updated just this morning. You see a lot of red on that map. Every county in North Alabama is now rated very high risk for COVID transmission. And we're not alone. Only 8 counties in the state fall below that risk threshold. ADPH determines risk based on 4 factors. Those are new case numbers, percent positive, testing goals, and ER visits for COVID symptoms. The dropping vaccination rate is causing a problem for some of the area's hospitals. WAAY 31's Alexis Scott spoke with the COO of the North Alabama Medical Center in the Shoals. And Alexis, you learned they actually had to reopen their COVID unit.
Yeah, Dan, the hospital here reopened their COVID unit due to the number of rising cases here in the Shoals. The hospital's COVID unit was shut down for a few weeks after the number of cases actually dropped. But the state's health officer says many of the COVID cases in Alabama hospitals involve people who have not been vaccinated. The chief operating officer of NAMC told me they'll continue to have vaccine clinics and that people need to take advantage.
You know, we were really high on COVID patients in January and early part of the year, as was the other hospitals in our area. But those numbers dropped off rapidly, especially when the vaccines came out and people started getting vaccinated. The numbers dropped off dramatically. And so we got down to a point where that unit was closed, and it is now back open.
Howard told me the numbers aren't alarming just yet, but it is a concern and something they're watching very closely. Now, the CEO also told me that it's very obvious the vaccine is working, and if you're able to get that vaccine, go ahead and get it. But if not, follow the health guidelines that are still in place. So wearing your mask and staying 6 feet apart from other people. For now, reporting live in Florence, Alexis Scott, WAAY 31 News.